Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of your display or tweak some changes. So first of all, you just need to right click on the desktop whether you are using Windows 10 or 11 and choose here the display settings. And once you select here the display setting, you can see here you can change the brightness from here as well. So you should be know this option, but when you go to this option, change the side or text on apps other, you can see the scale and it will be automatically selected as recommended. So select accordingly your display resolution here. So you should be getting the 100% or 125 according to this options. So I recommend you to choose the option which is automatically recommended on your laptop or the computer, or most of the system works on Windows. This resolution 13 into 1366 into 768, and this will work in a most of the systems, but you can tweak some changes from here. And also you can go to the advanced display settings, and once you go to the advanced display setting, you can change the refresh rate from here. In some windows, like the higher refresh rate does not support, so you can choose the lower one. And once you select, you can see here the display resolution is same and the active resolution is same. So you can also tweak some changes from here according to the desktop resolution and active resolution, both should be same here. So this is a basic setting. Also you can go to its properties and go to this option, and both options are same, but you can also change some setting from here. And this is the color, don't do anything with these. This is all about the graphical cards you have. So this is the basic setting, you can easily change it from here. But if somehow it is not working on your Windows, so it means that your driver is not updated. You can also connect the wireless display here, or you can set the other resolutions as well from here. And if the display is not doing anything from here, go to device manager and you need to just update the display driver here. So let me open the device manager here, display adapters, and right click, expand it and select automatically connect with the network. It will automatically search for the best driver. If this option is not working, right click, update, browse, let me pick and choose here the manufacturer driver. Click on next option and you are good to go. So once you select the correct driver here, your resolution will become like smoother and you will get the good resolution on your Windows. If somehow you are not able to update the driver from here, go to the Google and install the manufacturer driver from there, and surely it will fix your issue. Also you need to make sure that you are using the updated Windows. So hopefully this guy, if this video is useful for you, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.